A woman is taking OHSU to court for a second time, claiming the university didn't honor a settlement agreement in a sexual harassment case. Jenny Young digging deeper into this tonight. And Jenny, you've got reaction from both university officials and the woman's attorney.
Liz, so that woman's attorney is one of the lawyers who represented the social worker who sued OHSU and one of its former residents, Jason Campbell, known as the TikTok Doc. We told you about that sexual harassment lawsuit back in March, and this attorney saying that OHSU helped Dr. Campbell transfer to another residency program.
There was a doctor who trapped her and another resident in a dark room and made them watch sexually explicit videos while he grabbed his crotch and blocked their way out of the room.
Civil rights employment attorney Kim Sordell says that was one of several accusations in a 2018 lawsuit against OHSU brought by one of the university's female residents. Sordell says when that suit was settled, OHSU agreed its residency program director would provide the student letters of recommendation so she could complete the last 6 months of her residency at another school. But Sordell tells us that never happened.
She can't transfer without it. She also agreed not to disparage her, and she went ahead and disparaged her and told prospective employers or residency programs that there is a settlement agreement in place.
Sordell says those are some of the reasons her client has filed a new lawsuit against the university. The complaint, filed recently in Multnomah County Circuit Court, also accuses the university of discriminating against the woman based on her nationality.
Basically said she's too Russian to be a successful physician.
What is that supposed to mean?
They attributed her personality and problems and clothes to being Russian, and said she's too stubborn, and this is because of her cultural background.
This isn't the first time Sordell has battled OHSU in court on sexual harassment and cover-up claims.
It's part of the culture, and all they've done is protect that culture by gaslighting victims, by retaliating against victims.
She believes there's only one way to stop the alleged behavior for good.
What we need to see is the governor to step in and remove those board members who are allowing this sex harassment and discrimination and retaliation, remove the board members who are helping to bury it.
So I reached out to OHSU today to ask if somebody was available for an interview to discuss this lawsuit. They responded by sending a statement from the president that the president had sent to staff members. I'm going to read part of it. It says, in part, we are steadfast in our desire to provide a supportive work and learning environment that is safe, respectful, and welcoming to all. Again, that's just part of that statement. You can read the full statement on KOIN.com. Reporting live tonight, Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.